In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable colorblind-friendly labels in Trello. If you're someone who uses Trello to manage projects, track tasks, or collaborate with your team, you know how essential it is to have an organized and accessible workspace for users who are colorblind or those working with teammates who have color vision deficiencies. Trello offers a helpful feature to make labels more distinguishable. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable colorblind-friendly labels in Trello, ensuring your workflow becomes even more inclusive and efficient. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Trello.com. Once the Trello homepage loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. Next, sign into your Trello account by entering your email address and password. Alternatively, you can use a single sign-on option like Google or Microsoft if that's more convenient for you. If prompted, complete any verification steps such as entering a code or solving a quick security check. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll land on your Trello home or dashboard. From here, take a moment to navigate to one of your boards where you'd like to enable colorblind-friendly labels. Simply click on the board to open it. Now that you're inside your chosen board, locate any card from any list and click on it to open the card's details. Within the card, look for the area where label controls are located. Typically, this will be near the top of the card details under the Labels section. Click on the Labels section to open the full label panel. In this panel, you'll find the option labeled Enable Colorblind-Friendly Mode. All you need to do is click on this option to turn it on. Once you've enabled this mode, you'll notice a change in how your labels appear. Trello adds small, distinct icons or pattern overlays to each label color, making them easier to differentiate visually. Take a moment to observe these changes and see how they improve the clarity of your labels. After that, you can close the label panel and view the updated labels directly on your card. If you want to go a step further, consider adding short, meaningful names to your labels for even more clarity. This can help you and your teammates quickly understand what each label represents without relying solely on color. And that's it. You've successfully enabled colorblind-friendly labels in Trello. By following these steps, you've made your Trello boards more accessible and user-friendly for everyone. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.